Some people believe that polygamy brings crisis. What is your take on that?
What I want to say about that is not actually the truth. The truth of the matter is that most people, what they're actually practicing is not really polygamy. Instead, what they practice is Christian polygamy, which is wrong. Yes. At least we do a bit, we call it, so you will lie on it. Once the foundation is faulty, definitely it will fall. Yes. You must lay solid foundation. Let me give you an example. From my mother's side, um, my grandfather was a polygamist, has three wives. Yes, and my mother is from the first wife. From my father's side, my grandfather was a polygamist, yes, which would also blow the beer. Although my father has only one because my father is a Christian. But let me tell you, why some this thing collapse is that you cannot practice. Are there one manual cheer by a manual food? Even Jesus in the Bible. Now, I want to show you onye chi zaba, ya zaba, onye chi zakuru, ya zakuru. Ọ bụrụ na ime isie Christianity and polygamy, meaning monogamy and Christianity, to not work. The foundation is already dead on arrival. So what people practice is Christian polygamy, meaning working with a polygamist. Yes. Then Manon and 2 or 3 wives. This one they Anglican, this one they Catholic, this one they Sabbath. Okay? The marriage is already gone. There will be crisis. You know why? Because they don't have the same faith. The only Catholic go the mindset that they consider that not social as polygamy. Only Anglican a brunk, only Sabbath a brunk. Therefore, and how get those mindset? Well, by then, how can I after the first one and after the second one I seen through that. And then by then, we do always in imo. You know what I mean? So for me, I want nature able a polygamist. As you walk in Margo, you don't want to have a okay? Yes, because you may want to manual by the manual for polygamy is a doctrine of Eze-Ana, while monogamy is doctrine of Christianity. So you are where only Obona Egan must be only Gabo, only Eze-Ana. Believe in Eze-Ana, teaching and doctrine into two. Kokweme. And what he had the ne no charia, only a ne joker. You are away from the one. Yes. Obone chikotare like this. Hani na ronda 1/3. They are kowa. Only the maya, only the maya from the one. So that only the bro full wiser. 1/3. Kaga di wonye gere ya no tankuzi ozo gonna spoil the marriage. Or they not spoil no mass. Cow basic thing. Yeah, I am. Thank you.